Hi everyone and welcome back to Lake Garda. In this video I will show you some bike routes not along the lake but inland. If you spend at least 3 days on Lake Garda, I strongly recommend that you dedicate at least one to visit the hinterland, away from the shore of the lake. There are such wonderful places to discover. In this video I'll give you 3 ideas: Bardolino Hinterland, Valpolicella and the Canyon of Adige. You'll find all the maps in the description of this video, so that you can easily replicate them with your navigation device. Bardolino Hinterland is a path that covers the highest hills behind the town, among vineyards, historic districts, and a breathtaking view over the Gulf of Bardolino and the entire southern Lake Garda. The Valpolicella route will show you one of the most typical wine production areas in Italy. Discover the diversity of these landscapes surrounded by vineyards and olive groves, crossing several villas that will stand out on your path. In the Canyon of Adige route, you will appreciate the Adige River passing through a spectacular gorge with very narrow banks. Along the way, you can see the Austrian fort of Bulgemut. And don't forget to subscribe to my travel channel.